Do you ever have days when you're like, I want pho, but you think it has to be great value for the money because money is tight right now? Then I came across this spot that gives huge portions and that has been open for more than 16 years. Take a look at this huge bowl of their signature brisket pho. I thought I was hungry. When I saw the menu, of course, had to get their pho because they're known for their pho. But when I saw orange chicken and shaken filet mignon beef and tom yum pho, had to give this a try. And also, oh boy, this tom yum pho is huge and the shaken beef is out of this world. If you're ever in the Culver City area, you gotta check out Faux Show. You guys ever notice when you're watching foodie reviews, no one ever talks about parking? Well, let me tell you, we were able to find parking no problem, okay? But, and it was like, we were there like after lunch, so we're like that 1 o'clock lunch rush is done, so there's plenty parking. The minute you walk inside, you're greeted and you feel the chill vibes, loving the ambiance, by the way, and full bar, and if you're into wine and drinking and all that, and they have al fresco dining, so if you want to eat outside, you can. We chose to sit inside though, and of course went straight to the pho, and it came out fast with their friendly fast service. I had to try that tom yum pho that they offer because I've never seen tom yum pho before, and we got to do that noodle pool for the gram, right? Because I'm crazy about noodles, oodles, and rice. Noodles is life, since rice is life. And check out this filet mignon shaken beef. Oh my goodness. You have to, it's a must try, y'all. Like this dish right here, it's a must. And then the second is the orange chicken. We went with the vegetarian deep fried egg rolls with our tom yum pho, with the classic pho, and yeah, need some rice because rice is life. And it's perfect with the filet mignon, okay? And whenever you know that they have good pho because it's authentic, then they're gonna have authentic Thai tea. And it was the bomb.com. It paired beautifully with all the dishes. And yeah, from the first noodle pool to the first slurp of the pho, let me just tell you, Faux Show figured it out and has amazing flavors. Is the bomb.com. Yep. Now, I'm not used to seeing orange chicken in a pho place, and when I tried it, I was like, whoa, that's pretty good orange chicken. And then now, the shaken filet mignon beef. And oh my gosh, you guys, from my first bite there, out of this world. Now, hubby's turn to have the first bite. And Mr. 8, I think, approves with a smile. Now, orange chicken. Definitely approved. The orange chicken. Orange chicken. Now, it's his first bite of having the pho.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
Now when it comes to pho, there's regular size and a large size, and we both got large size, and the portions are amazing. It's like just a couple dollars more for the large. And I said, man, go for it, because we were hungry, okay? And we had a couple days of leftovers. And like I said, man, like, not just the noodles are amazing portion, but the beef too was amazingly portioned. And this filet mignon is like, you have to try that. Anywho, then you have toppings, right? You could put your toppings on there, and you got plenty lime and basil, sprouts, and jalapenos. Oh my goodness, he likes jalapenos in his, and I'm just okay with just sprouts and basil. You know what I mean? Because I like it just bland, I guess, for those that think I don't put too much on mine. Okay, but anywho, whenever you're in Culver City, check them out, because Faux Show is the place to go. Faux Show. And they're open late. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.